Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to look for particular frame styles on intcoframing.com. To get started, go to intco-framing.com and click the upper right corner to log in. If you don't have an account, check out our other video, how to set up an account. Here, I'll explain how to use both frame molding and a decorative molding. If you have a photo of molding style and know the style number, just type it in the search bar to find it. Okay, let's start with decorative molding on the top bar. Use the Preferences section at the top to filter the function and styles, and unselect the Preferences to refilter. Choose a style below to view more details. There are many color options for the molding. If you like the molding style, click Favorite to save in your collection. Share on social media, or click Add to List to later request pricing. It will save them in your wish list. Now let's check out frame molding. This covers styles for picture frame, photo frame, and mirror frames, or any other function frames like a message or whiteboard. You can click frame molding on the top bar or scroll down the page and click in the middle. Choose any of them to start. There are 6 sections for search preferences. Select 2 to 3 to filter out the frame styles. Too many preferences will slow down the search, also limit the results. Let's try PS mirror frame in silver color. You can unselect the preferences to refilter. The results are arranged in the order of popularity. Measurements can be changed from centimeters to inches. Pick a frame to view the style details. Each molding will have a style number. Here you will see the frame function, material, dimensions, and all the color options for this molding. Just a quick explanation on all 4 buttons. Framing Studio is to view the frames in a realistic room setting. Add to List is to save in a wish list. You can also share the frames on popular social media, but to show you the best way to use a website, click Favorite button to save the frames you like. Once you have picked a few styles, go to the upper right corner and click your name. Choose Favorite under the account. Here you can see all the molding styles you have saved. Easily delete the styles you don't like and confirm. To customize the frame, go to View Product, then choose Framing Studio. This will give you an overall look of the frame styles. You can add artwork, mirrors, customize sizes, switch to other frame styles to complete the product. Save as many options as you like, just click Favorite. Here I'm making a square mirror frame that is 30 inches wide. Once you're done, click Preview to view the final product in the room-like setting. You can upload your own background image or select one from a variety of preload room options. Click Favorite to see all your saved collections and easily replace them. Once it's complete, use Save Picture to save the room images on your computer.